Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your overall well-being: kidney health. You see, our kidneys are these incredible organs that work tirelessly behind the scenes, filtering our blood, removing waste, and keeping our bodies in balance. But what happens when we don't take care of them? Kidney failure can have serious consequences, impacting everything from your energy levels to your heart health. It's time to take charge of our kidney health and make sure we're doing everything we can to keep them functioning at their best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Today, we're counting down the 8 worst daily habits that can destroy your kidneys. Let's get started. Staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health, but it's especially important for our kidneys. Think of your kidneys like a filtration system. They need a steady flow of water to flush out waste products and toxins effectively. When we don't drink enough water, our kidneys have to work harder. And over time, this can lead to damage. Dehydration can also increase the risk of kidney stones, which are painful mineral deposits that can form in the kidneys. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep those kidneys happy and healthy. You can also get fluids from other sources like fruits and vegetables, but plain water is always best. Remember, thirst is a sign that you're already dehydrated, so it's essential to drink water consistently throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. If you're exercising or spending time in hot weather, you'll need even more fluids to make up for what you lose through sweat. Listen to your body and pay attention to those signs of dehydration like fatigue, headache, and dark-colored urine. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your kidney health. We all love a little flavor in our food, but too much salt can spell trouble for our kidneys. You see, when we eat a lot of salt, our kidneys have to work overtime to filter it out of our bloodstream. This extra workload can put a strain on our kidneys, leading to high blood pressure and potentially damaging these vital organs. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, so it's crucial to keep our sodium intake in check. Aim for no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, which is about a teaspoon of salt. Read food labels carefully and be mindful of hidden sources of sodium in processed foods, restaurant meals, and even some seemingly healthy options. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible and experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor without relying on salt. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference for your kidney health. We all reach for over-the-counter painkillers from time to time to relieve headaches, muscle aches, or other types of pain.
While these medications can be helpful in the short term, did you know that frequent use can actually damage your kidneys? That's because some painkillers, especially those containing NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen or naproxen, can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, potentially leading to injury. If you're dealing with chronic pain, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about alternative pain management strategies that won't put your kidneys at risk. This could involve exploring other types of medication, physical therapy, or alternative therapies like acupuncture or massage.
Remember, over-the-counter medications are not without risks, and it's important to use them responsibly and only when necessary. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need to function properly. But did you know that eating too much protein can actually put a strain on your kidneys?
When we consume protein, our bodies break it down into waste products that our kidneys need to filter out. If we're constantly overloading our kidneys with these waste products, it can lead to damage over time.
This is especially true for people who already have underlying kidney issues. While protein is important, it's all about finding the right balance.
Most adults need about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, which translates to roughly 56 grams for men and 46 grams for women. Focus on getting your protein from lean sources like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils, and be mindful of your overall protein intake.
If you're considering a high-protein diet, it's crucial to talk to your doctor, especially if you have any concerns about your kidney health. We all know that smoking is bad for our lungs and heart, but did you know that it's also incredibly damaging to our kidneys?
Smoking wreaks havoc on our entire cardiovascular system, including the delicate blood vessels in our kidneys.
The toxins in cigarette smoke can directly damage kidney cells, impairing their ability to filter waste and regulate blood pressure.
Smoking also increases the risk of kidney cancer, a serious and potentially life-threatening condition.
Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidney health. It's not easy, but the benefits are undeniable.
Talk to your doctor about resources and support systems that can help you quit for good. Remember, every cigarette you don't smoke is a victory for your kidneys.
We all enjoy a social drink now and then, but frequent alcohol consumption can take a serious toll on our kidneys. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it causes our bodies to produce more urine, which can lead to dehydration. As we discussed earlier, dehydration puts a strain on our kidneys, making it harder for them to function properly. Moreover, alcohol can directly damage kidney cells, impairing their ability to filter waste and maintain a healthy balance in our bodies. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For men, that means no more than 2 drinks per day, and for women, no more than 1 drink per day. It's also essential to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially if you're consuming alcohol. Remember, protecting your kidneys means being mindful of your alcohol intake and making choices that support your overall health. We often underestimate the importance of a good night's sleep, but it turns out that our kidneys need their rest too. When we consistently don't get enough sleep, it disrupts our body's natural rhythms and processes, including those that keep our kidneys functioning optimally. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can lead to kidney damage and increase the risk of kidney disease. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body, including your kidneys, to repair and rejuvenate. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Prioritizing sleep is a simple yet powerful way to support your overall health, including your kidney health. Remember, a well-rested body is a happy body, and that includes your hardworking kidneys. And finally, we come to the #1 worst daily habit for your kidneys: regular consumption of sugary drinks. We're talking about sodas, sweetened juices, sports drinks, and other beverages loaded with sugar. These sugary drinks are a major contributor to obesity, diabetes, and other health problems, all of which can take a toll on your kidneys. High sugar intake can lead to high blood pressure and damage the delicate filtering units in your kidneys, impairing their ability to remove waste from your blood. Cutting back on sugary drinks is one of the most impactful changes you can make for your kidney health. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime for a refreshing and kidney-friendly alternative. Remember, those sugary drinks might seem tempting, but they're not worth the risk to your kidneys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video. Taking care of our kidneys is crucial for our overall health and well-being. By making small but impactful changes in our daily habits, we can protect these vital organs and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Remember to stay hydrated, watch your salt intake, use painkillers responsibly, be mindful of your protein consumption, quit smoking, moderate your alcohol intake, prioritize sleep, and ditch those sugary drinks. Your kidneys will thank you.